Yeah, hello. Thank you for coming to watch this part two of this video on date data manipulation in Excel. Now, with this, I promise to show you how you can do what we did in the previous video using another method, which is quite easy, and maybe the programmers will love to use this method because actually I consider it something like an array in Python programming language, something like you're searching an array for I in this array in Python programming. If you've not looked at array in Python programming, please go to my videos in Python programming. You will see how to search through a list. Python actually called an array a list. So you see how to do that. So let's get started. Let's get started with this. This you see was the previous workbook, worksheet actually, was the previous worksheet. And in this worksheet, we made use of the text method to get the format of the dates in the word form. You see this? It's using the text method to tell the text that do this, turn whatever the value you have here, the date value you have here, to this format, and it goes that way. So alternatively, if you want to specify, is quite interesting to learn two different methods and to do something. So make use of the choose method. Say chooses a method, a value or action to perform from a list of value. Now remember I told you it's work as like an array. So programmers will love to use this method based on an index number. So choose what is the index number are you choosing from? Now, like we did in the previous video, I'll make use of this full date string that I haven't separated day, month, and year. I'll make use of that, and I'll also make use of the month string that I just have separated from the full date string. So I have month. I'm extracting the month from this. I close it. Now this is the time for me to put the values for my choose. The values for my choose. So I will have something like January, Jan, if I want to use the short form, I'll separate it. Each value has to be separated with a comma. Each value has to be separated with a comma. You know, you are using string, you putting it in double quotes because it is a string, it is a text. If it is a word, if it is a letter, sorry, a numeric value, use it without the code. So actually using this copy that pasted. So we have this and close it. So that is it. So using the choose method, it goes through. Okay, if the array is this, it applies it here. If it's that, just that way. That's how it applies it all through value. Now you see, if you look at it takes this for one, this for two, this for three, and this for four. That's how it does the value. Look at how the value. So if it sees an index here one, it takes the value that is in the position four and pass it out. That is the choose method. Now using this stuff, the months that have been taken out from this, I don't have to use this. Remember, I don't have to specify month again because the month has been extracted. So I now apply what my stuff. So apply this. Let me take away one value. Good. Then I took away December for the purpose. You see this? It's telling me no value in December. Why? Because December is 12. Now, when you look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, you stopped at 11. It doesn't give me December. So that's why it's telling me no value. So, in essence, what is it called? My index must correspond with the value. If I might have an index that is 20, that will give me 20, I must have a value that's up to 20. So that you can even use this choose method to do what we call one hot encoding in machine learning. You can use this choose method to do what we call one hot encoding in machine learning. Something similar like that, where you have boys, girls, gender, you change it from the from the text value from the text to what is it called to the numbers. I just hope that you find this tutorial helpful. Please, if this tutorial has been helpful, to receive more tutorials from us, kindly subscribe, share this video, like the video. Also, feel free to comment. We need your feedback. We need your feedback so that we can improve our services. Kindly comment, share the video, and ensure you watch part one of the video and every other video. See you next time in our videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.